a Voronoi diagram, and we have listed on our diagram the coordinates of sites A, B, C, and D. It says that if we live at 9, 6, which is the closest house to us, so we're not asked to find any measurements here, it's just one mark. We don't need to calculate any distances. So first of all, we're just going to plot that on the graph as 9, 6, which is this coordinate just here. And because it's in the cell for A, therefore, it's only just in the cell for A, but it is. Therefore, our closest site is A. So it's just site A as the answer. It's only one mark, so that gives you a hint that there's no real working out needed. And then it says that you have, this is part of a trick or treating question. So it says that you've collected so much candy that you need to hide it. And therefore, if you don't want to hide it close to A, B, C, or D, because there's too many children that might take it, where is the furthest point away to hide the candy? Now, we know that any answer to a question like that, the furthest point away or the largest circle, is going to be either of the two intersections. So we know that it needs to either be E or F. So to find out which one, we can take any other point, so for example C, and we can find the distance to E and then to F, and we can see which one is the closest or furthest away. So if I'm using my coordinate formula for the distance between 2 points, which is in the formula book, then the distance from C to E is the y coordinate -2 minus the other one, which is 2. And I'm going to square those, and then I'm going to add on, and then here are the x's, and I need to square root it. So essentially it's just doing Pythagoras. It's saying how far across, how far up, and then, oh sorry, this is one's to E, how far down, and then I can work out my Pythagoras. And that gives me an answer of 4.12 units. And then I can do the same for the distance between C and F. So again, essentially, I'm just using Pythagoras here. I'm creating my right-angled triangle. So I have -2, -2. And then I'm going to add on 2 minus 4 for my y values or coordinates. And again, square root. And this time I have 4.47. So the furthest one away is F. This is the larger distance, and therefore that means that F is going to be further away from all of the sites than E, and therefore I should choose site F to hide my candy, and that is because 4.47 is bigger than 4.12.